Hello and welcome back. In this short lecture, we're going to learn about autopilot user-driven mode with the option called hybrid auto join. In the previous demo, we worked on user-driven mode for Azure AD joining, which we worked all these options. Now, which is the second point here, which we wanted to talk now, with specific to the on-premises Active Directory. So, in the on-premises Active Directory, I do have a domain controller. I wanted to join this machine to be part of my domain when I try to set up with the autopilot. So this autopilot also works in the hybrid mode. That means the machine will also join to on-premises Active Directory as well as to the cloud Azure Active Directory. Both the places the machine will be joined, and we will be getting benefited out of it. And the experience at the client side would be the same, but the most important point would be the wherever you are trying to do this testing, or the machine should have it should be connected in the internet as well as the LAN. It's not just the only internet, because in the first case, in the user driven mode for Azure Active Directory, you need to have only internet. But whereas here, since it is a hybrid, that means the machine is this scenario should be considered as the client machine or the target machine also available in the LAN where your Active Directory exists. So in my case, I created Active Directory, and I'm gonna give it a try and show you how that actually goes, the demo. To do this, actually we need to have a proper Active Directory specific requirements, like DNS should be, especially DNS, and the permissions should be granted properly so that it can log in. To do that, what additional things also to be done is there's something called Intune Connector. So this Intune Connector should be downloaded and installed. So when you download this Intune Connector for Active Directory, what happens is that will run with the login credentials of your Azure AD or your Intune admin credentials, so that it will sync up all the time with your Active Directory as well as the Intune. So I'm not talking about the AD Connect sync up. This can work without AD Connect. So there's no dependency on the AD Connect. For the people who doesn't know about AD Connect is synchronization tool or the sync point from your on-premises all the objects to the Azure AD cloud. But in this case, it doesn't require AD Connect. It just requires something called Intune Connector for Active Directory, which I'm gonna explain this in a minute or so. So let's also have a look on the end user experience. So this end user experience is quite same when compared with the user driven mode with the Azure AD, but only the option would be you also having an option to log in with the on-premises user account. And when you go to the settings, you can easily find out under accounts with the work or work access. You can easily find out that the specific also join into Azure AD as well as to the on-premises Active Directory. That's how it would be. So I think we can jump into the demo.